Look, you've been carrying self-doubt around with you long enough. This is a meditation to help you let go of self-doubt. Find a comfortable position, sitting, standing, or lying down, whatever feels best for you. Take a moment to check your position and make sure you'll be really comfy this way for a few moments. Close your eyes. Notice the surface beneath you, supporting you. Notice your shoulders. Allow them to completely relax. Bring your awareness to your jaw and allow your jaw to completely relax. Notice your forehead. Allow your forehead to completely relax. If you hold any tension in your body, let that melt away into the surface beneath you and relax. Breathe with ease for a moment here. Slowly deepen your inhales and exhales. On your next exhale, fully exhale. Let all the air out. Return to your natural rhythm of breath, staying nice and relaxed. Imagine you are walking up a grassy hill. On your back, you carry a bag. It is quite heavy. The farther up the hill you climb, the heavier the bag becomes. The bag is very heavy now. You can hardly keep going and you must stop to take a break. You let the bag drop to the ground. You wonder how it became so heavy, so you open it and look inside. In the bag, you see a very large stone. You reach in and pull out the stone. As you look at it, you can see it is holding all of your self-doubt. That is why it was so heavy. All of your feelings you aren't good enough, that you aren't smart enough, you aren't clever enough, that you simply aren't enough, are held in this stone. You realize you don't have to carry this stone around any longer. Before, you didn't know it was there, making your bag so heavy. But now that you know, you can get rid of it. You place the stone on a steep part of the hill next to you and let go. The stone tumbles down the hill and keeps rolling, carrying all of your self-doubt away with it. Your mind is clear. You can see now that you are good enough. You are smart enough. You are clever enough. You simply are enough just the way you are, and you always have been. In fact, you're quite perfect. You're you. You're you, and you're exactly as you should be in this very moment. In this very moment, you are capable of anything you like. That's what life is all about. You get to experience your you-ness, and that is enough. You take a deep breath in and feel your breath deliver life to your body. Take a deep breath out and feel how the air becomes one with the space around you. This is your beautiful life. You deserve to feel at peace and know that everything is working out for you. You deserve to know that you are enough. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Fully exhale. Gently start to bring awareness to your body. Move your fingers and toes. You can roll your shoulders a few times. Maybe move your head slowly from side to side or take a few stretches. If you haven't yet, you can open your eyes. You are enough. You are enough. You are enough. So go enjoy yourself, my friend.